Hello student. Hi everyone. This is Rashid Khan from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar. I am a science teacher. Now we have to study about the changes, the physical and chemical changes in which I have already explained you about the physical change. Now the second term, it is given as chemical change. As we know that in a physical change there is the physical properties of the substance changed only, but there is no new substance formed, and if the substance formed that haven't the different properties, they have the same properties. But in case of a chemical reaction, we know that in a chemical reaction, always a new substance with a different properties of a substance always form. So we can say a chemical reaction and a chemical reaction is a reaction in which one or two substance combined or react to form a new substance or with a different type, different properties of the substance are formed. So this one is very different from the physical change. How we could differentiate them? In case of physical changes, there is only the physical property changed. But here you can see all the new substance form, and that new substance have varied from the first one, that is the original one, and it could not be reversed back into its own positions. Why? Because of that, resulting to the chemical reactions, there is a new substance formed. That substance have the different properties. So on that regard, we can say it is the chemical reaction in which always a new substance with the different properties are formed by reacting two or more, one or more substance. So we can say chemical change is a change. Chemical change is a change in which one or two substance react to form a new substance with a different properties, with a different chemical what we can say here? We can say chemical change is a change in which one or two substances react to form a new substance with different chemical properties or with a different property. Or we can say, it break down, or it can break down into the more form. Break down into more form. Break down to form one or more. Break down to form one or more substance. One or more new substances. So we can say it is a change in which always a new substance formed with a different chemical properties, or it can also break down into form one or more new substance. Example. Here the example: formation of yogurt, from milk, formation of yogurt from milk. Next is formation of wine from grapes, formation of wine from grapes. नेक्स्ट है चेंजिंग कलर ऑफ फॉलन लीव्स, चेंजिंग कलर ऑफ फॉलन लीफ, changing color of fallen leaf. You could see changing color of fallen leaf. Another example are there, that is ripening of fruits, and digestion of food, and photosynthesis. So these are all the example of chemical changes. You can see formation of a yogurt from milk, formation of wine from the grapes, changing color of the fallen leaf. These are all the example of chemical changes. You can see another. All the chemical changes have the changing in their state, change in color, change in positions, evolution of gas, maybe sound produced, or changing in smell. All these things may be formed in case of a chemical reactions. So we have to move on. This is all about the chemical change. So chemical and physical change. Let's find out what are the differences. So here we could do one thing. Here is physical change, and now second one is chemical change. What are the basic difference? What are the differences between both chemical and physical changes? Okay. Now, the changes we can write. What are the changes? Physical, only physical appearance change. In case of a physical changes, only physical appearance change. Only the physical appearance change in case of a chemical changes. And here is the initial substance is lost. Initial substance get lost. Initial substance get lost. Next, no new substance is formed. No new substance is formed. And in case chemical reaction, always a new substance is formed. An entirely new substance. And entirely new substance is formed. Entire, that means complete new substance are formed. Next, 3, that is the change is generally reversible. In case always the physical change, always maybe they are reversible. And in this chemical reaction, always irreversible changes. Initial substance may be obtained by physical means. May be obtained by physical means. And in case of a chemical, the initial substance can never be obtained. Initial substance can never be obtained. The initial substance can never be obtained. The properties of the initial substance. Initial substance are not lost, even after the change. After the change. Next one, the properties of the initial substance are lost. Properties of initial substance are lost and properties of new substance form. And properties of new substance form. Properties of new substance formed are entirely different. Entirely different from that of the initial. Energy is not taken in or given out in case of a physical change, but in case of chemical change, energy is either taken or given out. But in case of chemical reaction, always energy is required. Now, the next thing is changes maybe one or more. Example like rusting of iron. Rusting of iron is an example of chemical change. How it happens? Might be there is some moisture, water or form of water, that is evaporated form of water, that is vapors, and the air present, the oxygen present, which make the iron rust, maybe the rusting caused by the oxygen and water contained. How it happens? When there is a iron present in our surrounding, and in our surrounding there are numerous kind of the air, that is the oxygen present, numerous, a large number of oxygen are present. So here, if there is some extent of water is just are interacted, that means the oxygen and the water and iron. So this one is formed FeOH twice, ferrous hydroxide or Fe2O3, ferric oxide or ferric hydroxide, Fe2 ferric hydroxide or ferrous hydroxide is formed, and due to which the reaction takes place. How the reaction takes place? We could see 4 amount of Fe, 3 amount of oxygen, and the subject is Fe2O3 into H2O. This is the product. This one is formed due to which there is a reaction takes place. So rest of the other we will continue into the next